All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So Tech Armor is now in the business of earbuds. Now, these are lightning earbuds that I got here from Tech Armor. And I've had these for a few days now, and it's time to tell you how I feel about them after actually using them. So you can use these on iPads, iPhones, whatever. More importantly, the ones that don't have a headphone jack. This is what these are designed for, and they fit comfortably in the ear. They have sort of a soft touch matte feel to them around the earbud area. Really nice. And I think that's a good look by Tech Armor. Now, when they first reached out to me about the earbuds, I thought, wait a minute, you guys are known for screen protectors and tempered glass and things like that. And they said, no, we're getting into the earphone game, and why not start off with a set of lightning earbuds from Tech Armor. Now, how do they sound? Well, most earbuds that plug in actually sound really great compared to a wireless set of earbuds because you're getting a direct connection, and in most cases you can use some form of DAC if it has it in the device, or however it's being powered for any kind of source boost of sound. Well, plugging these into my device, absolutely great. They actually have a charging port right here, so you can actually plug in a charger while you're listening, so no need to now decide, am I going to charge or am I going to listen? They have it listed as charge on the go type earbuds, which is perfectly fine with me. But more importantly, they sound really good. Now, they also have a little connector here. And I wish this was kind of labeled, but it's not labeled. It just has the plus and minus and then the button in the center. But in the packaging, it tells you how to use them. So that's really important. So quick video from Tech Armor here from your man Jay Will, being supported by Tech Armor. They call these talk and charge. So ultimately what they're saying is you can still charge your phone and talk on the phone at the same time. So wanted to share these with you. These are really, really nice. They actually have a 2-year limited warranty too, by the way. So they're getting into the earphone game. So shout out to Tech Armor for a great set of earbuds. And I'll leave a link in the description. You can check those out. You can buy them yourself. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.